Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna dive into the story of Colin and Samir from the Colin and Samir show and the exact strategy they used to capture an audience of millions, build a loyal community, and create $1 million product. Let's get to it. Stage 1, audience. So Colin and Samir's journey began in 2011 in the comment section. They both had their individual Lacrosse YouTube channels at the time, and after Samir left a simple, "Hey, love this, wanna connect?" on one of Colin's videos, a partnership was born, leading to the creation of the Lacrosse network. A few years later, they sold the business to a company called Whistle, a small exit, which basically got them full-time jobs at this company. But as time passed, the duo realized they wanted to go back to their original documentary-style roots and tell stories they were passionate about. That led to the creation of their second channel, Colin and Samir. With this channel, they focused on interviewing top creators, dissecting the business of content creation, which no one else was doing at the time. Now, Colin and Samir's YouTube channel has well over 1 million subs, and their strategy to build the audience was actually pretty straightforward. Consistently producing unique, high-quality content that people couldn't get anywhere else. They started off with case studies, breaking down the strategies and stories of top creators without even interacting with them, meaning their entire business was permissionless at the start. Over time, the quality of their content and dedication led to interviewing big names like Mr. Beast and Tim Ferriss. This further established them as the go-to resource for the business of creators. So obviously, a bunch of creators started following them. And that's how they built one of the biggest audiences for creators on the internet. Stage 2, community. As their audience kept growing, Colin and Samir incentivized social media interactions. They did this by launching a Discord community and hosted live events within the community, giving their followers a chance to engage with them and basically hang out. To further that sense of belonging, they released creator-oriented merchandise, which already is a product, but for them, it wasn't about the revenue. The gear was basically to give their audience of fellow creators a stronger sense of identity. So Colin and Samir's community quickly became the space for creators to come together, chat, and engage. This gave them a first-hand look to all the problems that their community faced. Stage 3, the product. The insights that they got from their community allowed them to offer new products that were so relevant to their audience. For example, their first course, YouTube Storytelling, where they test their proven method to find your audience and create videos that resonate. But that wasn't the end of it. Colin and Samir identified a massive gap in the market. So in 2021, they launched the Publish Press, a free newsletter for creators that covers the latest developments in the creator economy. So if you were a creator, you wanted to be on this newsletter. And all of a sudden, the newsletter got more than 100,000 subscribers. To be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if they get to 1 million within the next 18 months. And with such a big subscriber base in a niche audience, there's 1 million ways that you can monetize this newsletter. Just so you get the idea, The Hustle, which is another newsletter focused on business news, sold for more than $20 million at 5 million subscribers. It's not crazy that Colin and Samir can hit that number and get a 20, 30, 40 million deal for the Publish Press alone. Not a bad deal at all, if you ask me. Colin and Samir's story, which literally started in the YouTube comments of a small Lacrosse channel, is now on its way to becoming a multi-million-dollar business. This is a testament to the ACP funnel, finding an audience, building a community, and creating a product that can solve a real need for that community. Their commitment to quality, community building, and responding to the audience's needs has been instrumental to their success. One of my main takeaways from Colin and Samir's rise in the creator economy is the importance of defining and understanding your audience. By doing so, they didn't just chase trends, they created them. they aligned both their content and products with this goal, establishing themselves as the go-to place for creators. So that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this at all valuable and want me to tear down more community-based businesses, hit the like and subscribe so I know you like these videos. And if you want to build your own ACP funnel, check out Community Empire, linked in the comments below. It includes 2 courses with the blueprint to build your own community empire, a monthly email with 2 to 3 niches worth building businesses in, a free school subscription, which is a community platform I love, and much more. I have an entire YouTube playlist explaining how creative entrepreneurs like Thomas Frank, Ryan Holiday, and Jack Butcher have used the ACP framework to build million-dollar businesses, so make sure to check those as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.